Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V50 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable and how to customize the night light or eye comfort mode. So as I said, let's start with the customization. So let's go to the settings, and here in this general list, let's scroll and find display and brightness. Let's tap. And then we have to localize the option eye protection, which is basically the name of the eye comfort mode or night mode in this device. So we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and probably you can see a slight change. The screen is a little bit I would say darker and more yellowish than it was before. It is a nice way to block the blue light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Of course, you can customize it, so just tap on the eye protection, and here we've got the intensity. By going to the left, you can make it weaker, so it is cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. So right now we can see those yellowish tones which are applied to the screen. Here you've got the automatic option, so let's tap on it. The none option is a manual option, so you have to manually turn on and off the eye protection. You can also turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and then your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, or you can turn it on at custom time, and you can freely choose the start and the end time just by swiping. Set it like you want to, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. You can also turn on this anti-fatigue brightness just by tapping on the switcher. It's totally up to you whether you want to use it or not. Alright, so this is the whole customization of the eye protection mode, and if you'd like to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully so we can open all of those options here, and now we have to find the specific icon. So in my case it is right here. However, if you cannot find it, just tap on this edit icon, find it in this section, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to this first section to apply it, to have much faster access to it. Let me go back, and now all we have to do is to simply tap on the option to apply it and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.